This is the Madame Sew Straight set. This set contains an adjustable guide foot, an edge joining foot, a magnetic seam guide and a heat erasable marker. And with the bonus low shank adapter, the 2 presser feet in this set will fit most low shank sewing machines. With the tools in this set, sewing straight will get a lot easier. There's a guide for every task. A guide for straight seams, the magnetic seam guide, a guide for straight top stitching, the adjustable guide foot, a guide that can do edge stitching, perfect stitch in the ditch stitching, and follow a mark, the edge foot. All 3 are fully adjustable to put that straight line anywhere you need it. And to make the set complete, there's an iron-off marker for stress-free marking. You can start over as many times as you want, and the marks will disappear like magic with the pass of a hot iron. The red marker comes with a white refill, so you can switch between the 2 colors. This set comes in a really nice box. The tools are neatly organized with hands-on instructions. You will also get a detailed online manual, instruction videos, and all possible tips and tricks to make sewing straight a stressless breeze. If you're new to sewing with a machine, there will still be some practice needed, but you will get great results a lot faster and will be able to sew more consistent with the tools and instructions in this set. The adjustable guide foot, the edge foot, the magnetic seam guide and a heat erasable marker are all included in this one set, so you don't need to buy any of those separately anymore.